comes to being a black belt, when it comes to your journey, working hard, coming into class, giving it your all, not only did you just come to karate to get your self-defense, but you made this not a hobby, you made this a lifestyle. And when it comes to a lifestyle, we are future black belts and black belts everywhere we go. At home, in school, with mom, with dad, with friends, with family. We are working every day to get better and better. You guys got it, yes sir? Yes sir! I have a saying in karate, work first, then it goes play later. That's how it goes. Usually we call it discipline, right? But at a certain age, at a certain level, we want them to earn it by self. So it's self-discipline. So earning that self-discipline strength, doing the homework that we needed for black, Sophia Rivera. Come on.
Awesome! That's right, mama. You got this.
There we go. There we go for you. Your hair. There we go.